So what I'm going to do today is I'll tell you a little bit about what we see as the biggest challenges in customer care, and then how you can try and use AI to solve those challenges. So quickly, kind of what is AI? It's not we're not talking about killer robots. It's essentially just maths. It's statistical software which can ingest lots of historical data, and it can then predict how humans would act and emulate human action. So this is the prediction that AI will transform every industry. The reason I say that is if you look at the size of the global data sphere, it's growing at an astonishing rate. So this graph is in zettabytes. That's not even a normal word. Basically, just to visualize where we are now, I think there are about 40 zettabytes in the data sphere. You can picture that if you imagine a standard smartphone. It's got 32 gigs of storage. If you lie them side by side, that would circle the world about 1,000 times. And that's kind of where we are now. It's going to get a lot bigger. So yeah, AI is the solution. This is kind of another decision point here. So if you make the decision that you want to harness your company's data, you've kind of got two choices when it comes to AI. You can either have AI trying to replace your staff and trying to completely take away the human work, or you can have the AI trying to augment your staff, trying to aid your staff, make them more efficient. It's kind of like the difference between the Terminator and Iron Man. The Terminator takes over their job, Iron Man kind of augments it. This is what we call the human plus AI approach. This is the Iron Man. How can we aid your customer service representatives to be more efficient? And this is what we're proposing for customer service. So just to give you a quick kind of explanation of how our system works, if a customer contacts you, we will automatically detect the intent of what they're saying. We can use that to add metadata to their case. We can route it to the specialists in your company who can deal with that. And in the possibility that our system is sure it knows the right answer, then we can automate the answer. But we only do that if we're sure, because we care about the customer experience is the most important thing. We're not willing to sacrifice on that. And that leaves the human agents to deal with the uniquely human tasks. You can deal with complex tickets. You can deal with customers making escalations. You can be humorous. You can reduce churn, and you can upsell. You can actually use your resources to turn customer service into a profitable department.